I know very well that I have been now recording this special series. Today morning I saw you out bargaining with the door-to-door salesperson, a nice Muslim gentleman. And in Mapsa, I really appreciate that they are working very hard here and going door to door, getting the fresh fish supply from the jetty, and then early morning leaving their house with a basket on their motorbike, and giving a call to everyone to purchase fish, and you rush down and you bargained, and I am really surprised that what is sold in Benjim CCP market for double the amount you got with bargaining, the more sardines. चड ताल्ले मेळ्ळे तुका आतां वांटपण करून, आनी त्या बद्दल तुजें अभिनंदन करता हांव. कारण हें आर्ट जें आसा तें तुका कोणाकच जमपाचें ना, जें तुका जमलां तें. की म्हाका एक सांग, हे ताल्ले घेता आसतना तुवें कशें सिलेक्शन केलें? की ते आतां तांबडे तांबडे आसात, ते हाव यू नो दॅट दीज आर रियली मीन्स रिलेटिवली आय वूड से फ्रेश सार्डिन्स?
ताची जी कात असता पळय ती सामकी सिल्वर आसूंक जाय, अशी शायन आसूंक जाय.
या इट इज इंडीड. या
ओके, ते सगळ्यात पयलीं पळोवंक जाय, आनी मूस येवंक जायना ताचे कुशीक. ओके, हो दुसरो पॉयंट आसता, कित्याक म्हणजे ताचे वयल्यान आमकां कळतात की ताजे आसात काय पौशेल्ले आसात पळय ते ताल्ले.
पूण खूब फावटी ताजे कल्ले काडटात आनी पळयतात.
कल्लां सामकी घट आसूंक जाय.
आणि वॉट अबाउट दीस रेड कलर? इज इट द blood from the sardines, or they have put blood from somewhere else
No,
also?
it is the blood from the sardines itself.
Yeah, so one characteristics of the sardines is that glistening silvery surface,
Yes.
and no absence of flies around, because
Yeah.
the flies indicate putrefaction
Yes.
or decomposition or foul smell.
Yes.
Okay, my next question will be there in the next video.